LBC, Ryan speaking. Hello buddy, is this the guy in Dartford? Hi mate, yeah, what I'll do is I'll get the guy to come over. It's 42 minutes, but that's still 42 minutes there, 42, so I'll still get back for about 1 o'clock. So, okay mate, I'll get to come over. If we can weld that handle, that'd be brilliant. Good morning, I'm Ryan, the operations manager. So not only do we spend a good proportion of our time in the office, we also like to come out on site, checking all the guys, make sure they're happy, they're doing as they should be doing, got the right equipment, doing the right PPE. So we'll be dotting around certain areas today, checking on numerous jobs, numerous people, just making sure that everything's okay. So yep, getting some vitamin D and away we go. We're working here now. We're going to go around the front. We're just going to go and check out what John and Sahil are doing around the front there. Right, we're here now at Sign Start. We're going to do a big reveal to Conan's work vehicle. So I've had it all sign written, LBC colours. It's going to be really cool. So Conan's down there, we're going to bring him up and show him it, do a big reveal and see what happens.
Rushing through me, down upstream, are you with me?